Now I will add two supports here on the tabletop because these boards needs a couple of more supports. So I will zoom in a bit and then I right drag an extrude shape, drop it here on this board and drop it as an innovative part. And the question is if I want this extrude shape on each linked board, but I don't want that, so I click no, and then I will go to IntelliShape level and right click this handle and choose edit distance from point, type 50, hit enter, do the same here, right click, edit distance from this point, that will also be 50, and the width will be 95, and this support will go all the way to the other side, so I'll right click this red handle, choose edit distance from this point, that will also be 50, like so. Then I need another one on the other side, but before that I will select this one, come over to the scene browser, and I will change the name to see now, support tabletop, like so, and then I will link another support to the other side. So when it is selected, I turn on the TriBall. I will move the TriBall, right click this center handle to point to this point, the center point of the leg, like so, lock the TriBall, then I right click this orientation handle, choose mirror and link, so now we have another support on the other side. And these supports needs colored as well, so I come over to the catalog and drag this paint group, drop it on this one, and here I will choose white, see now, white matte, very bright white, but it will be white. And we see that this support is too long, so I have to change the length of it, so I will select it in IntelliShape level. Then I right drag or right push this handle to change both sides. Then I use the shift key to snap to this edge here, like so. So now it has the right length. This table needs 4 legs, not 1. So I will change the length of the leg and add 3 more legs. So we'll select the leg in IntelliShape level and I will grab this lower height handle and snap to the top of this foot. Come up here, I will grab this height handle, snap it to the support here, and then select it in part level, turn on the TriBall, and I will move the leg now, so I unlock the TriBall, right click the center handle to center point of this hole here, lock the TriBall, then I right click the center handle to center point of this hole, like so. Then I turn off the TriBall, and I will also change the name on this one, come over to the scene browser, change name to leg, like so. So we need 3 more. So when the leg is selected, I turn on the TriBall. I will move the TriBall to this hole. So unlock, right click the center handle to center point of this hole here, like so. Unlock the TriBall, select this axis, right drag inside in this direction, drop it there and link 90 degrees, but I need 3 more, like so. Then I click OK. So now we have 4 legs. And they need a color as well. So I come over here, drag the paint group and drop it here. And I will select the green color. There is only one green, so I will select this one, but I will change the color of it. So I right click this one, go to Smart Paint, and I will choose this green color, or this one, like so. Now we have added the supports, and also we have added the legs, all legs that the table needs. So I will save the scene, and in the next video we will do the last part of this table.